Let's get to the point. Masarap ang coffee with banana flavor sa Coffee Dojo in Quezon City. And they are also still one of the most beautiful and most unique cafes in terms of design. And let's be honest, this is not a sponsored post. I paid for my order. I've tasted coffee with banana flavor before at several cafes, and I found them either too bitter or too sweet. Coffee Dojo had the right and delicious balance. It costs 175 pesos, and I think it's called the Tokyo Banana. Mabait at magaling pa rin ang staff, beautiful pa rin ang outdoor and indoor areas, mataas pa rin ang overpass na parang bundok na malapit sa cafe nila. Share ko lang din, I had a moment kanina sa Coffee Dojo na parang natulala ako in a good way. And that's how you know a space is beautiful. When you forget your life for a second and start seeing the world as if it's a new one. I got quiet while a beautiful song was playing in the background, which is something I wish more cafes paid attention to. Having the right kind of music na hindi masyadong malakas. Maingay na ang mundo. Wag na nating dagdagan. Cafes like Coffee Dojo provide us a mental and physical sanctuary to love the world again and also ourselves. Click follow for the next story.